NAFSMUN here, and today I'm going to show you how to install Git on your computer. Okay, so search Git on Google, then go to this website and download Git as shown in the video. Then click and run this. Click on yes. Then select your path and follow the options I select. You can make changes if you want, but it's not recommended. Click next, then install. As you can see, the installation process has started. Now I will take the launch Git Bash. As you can see, Git Bash is running. Now I will search command prompt and open this. Then write Git and enter. As you can see, Git is installed in our computer. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now.